Akombori aria maraikaraga nyumba-ini ino ya ngorofa 5 itura-ini ria Uthiru ni mathitwo kwaga kuingira cikaro-ini ciao kuoya indo ciao niguo kugitira ugwati.
Now I'm not able to access anything. My things are still inside, and I've just been told to wait until everything is okay. We've been residing here. This is the second year that I'm in this building, and now my house was not affected so much, but I've just been told I can't go inside. Yeah, just been told there's nothing that we can access, and we'll be given information once everything is okay. So investigation is going on right now.
Nyumba ino ya ngorofa 5 iramomokire utuko wa keri kuria kuringana na ndomiriri iria irekereirio ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi na ruhonge rwa kurumbuia mogwati ni ati ni marahotire kuruta na kweheria andu othe aria marari thiini wa nyumba ino hatari ugurarite.
Nilikuwa nadhani ni thunderstorm. Kwenda kuangalia ni nyumba iliboromoka, lakini watu walikuwa ndani. Walisaidiwa within 30 minutes. Polisi walikaa wakatoanisha wengine wakabaki. So after 40 minutes tena watu walitolewa wote.
Onyitaneri-ini wa honge cia kuramata na kunyabara miako kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi metereire ataramu aria mekuheana mwerekera wa uria nyumba ino iguthario hatari gucungirira ugwati makiria, kuona kuringana na uria nyumba ino ikomete ya gukomera nyumba ingi iria iriganitie nayo.
Kwa ishajengwa though, kulikuwa na some repairments zilikuwa zinafanyiwa downwards. Maybe that one was the cause.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Charles Gikuga wa Kariuki.